all's well that finishes well, particularly when you escape moderately unharmed in the wake of driving a 1,000 plus strength supercar off a mountain. That is precisely what happened the previous summer when Richard Hammond, previous host of BBC's Best Gear and now a moderator on Amazon Prime's The Grand Tour, got things fiercely flabby amid a Swiss hill climb occasion while driving a Rimac Concept_1 electric supercar. The 1,200 strength Croatian-developed creation finished tilting many feet down the mountain. It soon burst into fire and transformed into one exceptionally costly charcoal briquet. Fortunately, Hammond had left the vehicle before the fire, and the most noticeably bad of his wounds incorporated a broken leg. To remember the event at the current year's Geneva Motor Show, Rimac included a touch of dull funniness to its most recent all-electric hypercar, the C_2. This electric-controlled colorful now has an excess of 1,900 torque and, as per Rimac's stopwatch, quickens from 0-60 miles for each hour in 1.8 seconds. On the off chance that you're pondering that is roughly a half-second speedier than the relentless Bugatti Chiron. Top speed of this most recent Rimac is just 258 miles per hour, be that as it may. So in any event, the huge, terrible Bugatti, with its electronically constrained best speed of 261 miles per hour, still has this EV upstart secured. To protect inhabitants, and keep another Hammond-esque flame broiling, Rimac situated a little fire dowser in the vehicle. It's held set up by a calfskin lash that peruses if there should be an occurrence of slope climb, douse fire. It's great to see Rimac has a fairly curved, comical inclination about a TV moderator wrecking $1 million car. Better still is news that Hammond himself says he is glad to have at last impacted the plan of an auto,